Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this freestanding storage cabinet with hidden laundry baskets. I already had this for over 6 months now, and this is a great addition to my bedroom. I like how you're able to hold a lot of items in the shelves, and you can put cubbies in there. And I also like the hidden laundry baskets that it has on the bottom. So let me show you how everything looks. So you can see how it has all this space that you're able to put your clothes or even cubbies inside here. And also on this side too, you're able to fit a lot of items in here. And then inside here, there's 2 laundry baskets that you can store your clothes when they're dirty. So you can see that this storage unit stands over 6 feet tall. I'm about 6 feet tall myself. This comes in many pieces. So this is probably going to take about 2 to 3 hours to put it together. But it's very easy. The instructions are very detailed and it's easy to put together. If you are interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great storage unit with hidden laundry baskets. I like how much items that I could fit in here. And I also like the hidden laundry baskets on the bottom, and it's made very well and it's easy to put together, and the build quality is very good.